In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can inspect your workbook for hidden properties of personal information with ease in Microsoft Excel, which is just a great check to run if you're sending something externally, for example, and you want to make sure that there's no awkward comments or like information you shouldn't be sharing and that everything is visible as it should be. So to do this, go to File, Info, and from here you can click on Check for Issues. Now, after clicking on Check for Issues, you're going to have to click on Inspect Document, where you can check the workbook for hidden properties and personal information. And then it says, before you use Document Inspector, make sure you save your changes, because Document Inspector may make changes that can't be restored later. So, the document isn't saved. I'm going to pause the video and save the file real quick. Now that the file is saved, you can go through and then check which areas of the workbook you want to inspect. So you can inspect comments, document properties and personal information, data model, content add-ons, task pane add-ons, pivot tables, so on and so forth. It's nice because you can links, click on links. It's nice because as you can see, you can kind of select specific parts of your workbook. So you can check only comments, for example, if you want to. And you can kind of have everything inspected. It is if you really want to. So after you have the boxes selected that you want to, click inspect. It will inspect everything, and then it will say all of the areas where you might have personal information that you're not comfortable with sharing or having. So rows and hidden columns. So it says there's 175 hidden rows, for example. So some hidden rows within pivot tables or table headers cannot be removed. So, but this is good though, because we know that we have hidden rows, hidden worksheets, custom XML. That some custom XML data was found. Active filters were found. And then if it can't, do everything, it either have more info or remove all. So you can either remove the information or see more information about it. Pivot tables, pivot charts, pivot cube formulas, necessary timelines, which may include data that's not visible on the sheet, were found. So for example, I can, under hidden worksheets, I can remove them. And you have to be careful with that because that removes the worksheets, right? So so now the pivot tables that were in the document are just no longer there. So you have to be very careful when using this. And if it says the worksheets are hidden, maybe go through and unhide the worksheets and then click reinspect. Remove all. As you can see, this will just kind of remove it and then not necessarily remove the setting. It removes it. So be careful when you're using this. Click close. As you can see, now the worksheets that hidden are not there anymore, so make sure you're careful when using this. But as a whole, it's a great tool that you can use to make sure that your workbook is in the most shareable condition possible and that you're not accidentally oversharing. So I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, have a great day.